to Tangela Kyra, and today it's going to be a short video. We're going to talk about how do I clean up the mess? How do I clean up and get rid of all of this candle wax? What do I use? What are the essentials? How can you break that candle wax down so that it's not all over the place and it's not clogging up your sinks? We're going to jump right on in and show you how I clean up after I make my candles.
Now, as you can see here, I got a good little mess going on here. We got tons of wax still in there. Yeah, silicone. We got wax going everywhere. So we really need to make sure that we break this down and get rid of it. Let me show you what I do.
Now, as you can see, there's a lot of wax in here. So I'm going to heat this up with my heat gun, and then I'm going to pour it or wipe it out and pour it into my trash can, throw it away. And then what I'll do next is I'll take some of the detergents that I use and break down the wax with it, and then we'll get clean. It's just what you see me doing right now is what I do after every candle making project that I do. You have to just clean up. I heat all of my candle supplies, all of my, my pourers, my pitchers. I will take my heat gun, heat up all of the wax out of them, melt that wax down and pour it out and get rid of it, get that out of my way. Because you do not want candle wax getting stuck in your pipes in your kitchen. After I have heated up the candle wax, I will then go in with isopropyl alcohol and really break down the wax. The isopropyl alcohol is 100% essential. Now, if you don't have that, I'm telling you, you need to go get you a bottle right now. Alcohol is 100% essential. After that, after I've wiped everything down with isopropyl alcohol, gone in and cleaned everything with the isopropyl alcohol, I then go in and wash everything that I have with Dawn Power Wash. And it just really gets everything clean. Now I'm going to take old trusty Dawn Power Wash, not regular Dawn. And this is actually going to coat, you coat the entire pan. I coat the entire pan. I use a lot of this stuff, a lot. And I'm going to let it sit. I'm going to let it sit. and just like that, I'm done. I'm finished. Like, I'm all finished, got it all cleaned up. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what you doing with your life, honey? What you doing? Like and subscribe and share, and subscribe and like and subscribe and share. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video, all right?